Welcome to Chapter 2, Section 3 of Math 350, the homework assignments. Determine whether the following is true or false. A union with the complement. This is called the complement of A, which means that it's everything that's not in A. Everything that is not in set A. So everything that's in A with combined a union with everything that's not in A is the universe. True. Because whatever, if I have a set of, say the universe is all the numbers. If I had a set of 1 and 2, the 1 and 2 union with everything else other than 1 and 2, that's the universe, which is all the numbers. Determine whether it's true or false. The cardinality of A union B does not equal the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B minus where they overlap. Well, that's false because that's the actual exactly true statement when we look at A union B is made up of the set elements of A plus what's in B minus where they overlap. Let's look at the example here. Let's say A is equal to numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. B are the even numbers 2, 4, 6. If I ask you to make the set A union B, yeah, you take all the elements of A, all the elements of B. So all the elements of A, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements 2, 4, 6. But if you notice, we have 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We counted those twice. So we subtract wherever they overlap. So then our final set then would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Which is exactly what that's going to be. If we combine A and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are counted, and 6. So it does equal, that was false. A intersect with the intersection of B and C is equal to the A intersect B intersect C. That's true. Now let me show you why. Remember in algebra, we had this rule. We know that that's true. We also know that this is true. If we put parentheses around certain pairs, that's called the associative properties. This is now the same as this. This is still the same as that. Mathematics came from logic. The plus sign is union. The multiplication sign is intersection. So this is similar to the associative property of multiplication. The intersection of B and C and the intersection with A is going to be the same whether we take the intersection of A, B, and C. So that's true. Determine if it's true or false. The complement of A intersect B. So everything that's not where A and B share is the same as A union B. A union B is everything in both sets. This one is everything that's not in A and B. It's whatever they're sharing can't be counted. For example, here's set A, here's set B. What this one says here is A intersect B. That's this area. Now the complement of it is everything outside of it. So keep that and get rid of the rest of this stuff. Never mind, get rid of that. So one with the rest, one with the complement of A intersection B. So we throw that away. The A union B is everything. So they're not the same. Let's look at pictures of these. The complement of A, so let's look what the complement of A is. Here's A. There's the universe. Here's A. The complement of A is everything outside of it. Here's B. The complement of B is everything outside of that. So the intersection of this one and this one is only the outside. We cannot use A, we cannot use B, we can only use what's outside of it. So the answer is B. Complement of A, union complement of B. Okay, here's A. The complement of A is everything outside of it. Here's B. Everything outside of it. So the only part that they don't share, you can't include, is where they overlap. Because from A we can use all of B. From B we can use all of A. The only part we didn't discuss is where A intersect B. So the answer is B. The complement of C is everything outside of C. Intersecting with A union B. A union B is all this. But we can't use C. So it's everything else. So it's A. There's A union B. That's both of those circles. But get rid of where C intersects. Get rid of those guys. Use a set notation to identify the shaded region. All of B minus the complement of A. Okay. B intersect with complement of A. Okay. A intersect complement of B. No, that can't be right because we have that set there. A, that doesn't exist. That only works with cardinalities. Cardinalities. So that's got to be it. And the last one for chapter 2, the set notation. We take all of A, all of B, and intersection with complement of C. Well, the complement of C cannot use those guys. So that's not it. Intersect A and B is only there. Union with complement of C. You can't use those. No. A union, so that's everything. Complement would be nothing. No. A union B. Complement or union with that complement of C. Yeah. So complement of C, which is everything else, A and B. Yeah, it's D. Intersection negates, I mean, you can't use where overlap. So this one says union. I can use everything. Alright, that does it for chapter 2. Good luck, and I hope you do go on your test.